Hello.
Hello. Welcome.
Thank you.
If you have superpower, what superpower would you want?
I hope that I can appear in many places at the same time, so
Many
that I can do
places.
many things at the same time. Yeah.
How can I steal a million and not go to jail?
You should not steal. Right? So as a teacher, yeah, she's not steal.
Mr. Virat,
Okay.
if you weren't a teacher, what other career you will give chosen?
I think I will go back to my interests, perhaps in music. I might pursue a career, deeper into music, maybe into music production, or maybe into artist management, that relates with music or with visuals. Yeah, because this is something that I really enjoy a lot, and I perhaps might put this as my career.
What inspired you to become a teacher?
I think I like to share, and I hope to inspire, more people to do what they like. And I think most importantly is about to help students to discover about themselves, be it good or bad. Okay, and to be more motivated in learning and perhaps to contribute to the industry and the society at large.
Last question. How do you stay motivated and passionate about teaching?
Oh, how do I stay motivated and passionate? Okay.
Yes.
I think like every day I come to class and I say that the students are really enjoying the classes and they are really interactive in the class, and they learn something every single day. I think that motivates me a lot. And for me myself, to stay passionate is whereby, after students when they have graduated, right, and they are doing very well in their career. So I have so many students, right? They are doing so well in their careers, and that keeps me motivated and passionate about teaching, because I believe all my students will be doing very well, after they have graduated somehow. So yeah, so this keeps me going.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Kafin.
Thank you, sir. First of all, I'd like to thank you and wish you a happy Teacher's Day
Thank you.
to the most incredible and the versatile teacher I have ever seen. You have been inspiration to me because in my home country, I saw teachers always show anger at times, and it's very hard to see smile in their face. But you are just exact opposite to it. Whenever I see you, I feel a positive vibe in you, and that makes the classroom more vibrant, and I really like that attitude. So thank you for being in that way. You always give lots of examples, which is very realistic, and so that we can connect with the real world. So that really helps me a lot to understand much about business. Being a science student, I'm a science student. When I came here, I had a thought like how I am going to cope up with a new subject, which is very new and fresh to me. So I thought it will be a disaster and I have to work very hard to cope up with all these things. But it is not like that. I just understand everything that you have said, and it makes me very, understanding, and I can understand every topic. Now I'm regretting why I chose science instead of business. So, and I will say you are the sole reason for it. And please don't stop being versatile, and please don't stop teaching, and please don't stop teaching to us because we need you for sure. And yes, thank you so much. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to share my thought. I think I'm representing all of us in the class.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
From Myanmar, Mr. William Chitu Tumare.
From India, in Tamil Nadu, Ini Asya Jananot.
Белорашины. Дякую, мистер Рашин. Спасибо. In Kyrgyzstan, Ahmad.
From Thailand, ขอบคุณค่ะมิสเตอร์วิลล่า
Thank you.
Mabuhay from Mabuhay from the Pearl of the Orient Seas, Philippines. Ginoong Willard, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
फ्रॉम इंडिया इन हिंदी। आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मिस्टर विलर।
From India, Kerala, Nandi sir.
Thank you. I think this is a very good question. One thing I think I've learned from the students over the years is the sense of belonging, right? Not forgetting one's culture, values, okay? And another thing is about adaptability, to be agile, you know, in a different environment, always evolve and to adapt to the surrounding changes, and therefore to always be flexible in the environment. I think that's one thing I've learned really a lot from the students over here.
Happy Teachers' Day!
Okay, cool.